Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a review on the 118th Maisto AMG GT Premier Edition. The Special and the Premier Edition are the same, just that there's different boxing, which I don't get why Maisto did that. So, let's get into it. Okay, so first we're going to be talking about like the overlook. So, as you can see, it looks like a very nice die-cast car. It's actually above your normal Maisto. It probably looks a bit cheap on camera, but if you actually feel the parts, they're actually really nice. Okay, so we have an opening bonnet in the front. If I can get that open. Can't get that open. There. Okay, so inside, we're going to take a look at that when I get to the really good details. Okay, and then we have our doors. It's like a normal one. And then we have the part which I like most, and there's a part that I don't really like. So the trunk is really hard to open with your fingers unless you have long fingernails like me. But the cool thing is that if you have long fingernails and you reach deep in, there's an opening spoiler, as you can see. The inside is not actually made very well because they didn't paint it. As you can see, it looks like it's all scratched yet. They just didn't paint it. And then if we turn it around, it looks very nice, like a premium auto art die-cast. And then unlike the SLS AMG, we have an opening trunk. The SLS AMG had a spoiler, but not a trunk. This one has an opening trunk. And as you can see, it's actually a bit different because you can actually see through. You can even stick your fingers through because there is no whatsoever like fake glass, plastic and stuff. From here you can see that like the thing with the glare is the navigation. And so we're going to move on to small details. So as you can see, it's a very detailed engine. And I love the fact you see this small plaque thing. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus. There, this little plaque in front of the Mercedes-Benz symbol. That's where it's supposed to say who built it. So that's very realistic. And unlike my SL63 AMG, which I will shortly be doing a comparison and review on, it doesn't like shake as much yet in this corner. It'll still make noises, but that's normal for a Maisto. And the interior is extremely detailed, as you can see. I love those pedals and stuff in there. The steering wheel is very nicely done, just a bit cheap looking. The navigation, there's some fake carbon fiber, which looks really nice and fits the model really well. The passenger seat. There's some fake speakers down here around, probably can't see it on camera with my fingers, but if you look carefully, there's some stuff down there. And I almost forgot to mention in the front, it looks like there's a little silver thing, but, let's see, it's not focusing. It says AMG on it, there. So that's not something wrong or something. And also, let me know in the comment section below if you want to modify your car but you don't have paint or any of that stuff. And so you just want simple things like using tape, but then you don't like clear tape. And then the duct tape in America is really bad. So I went to Taiwan and I got a lot of duct tape. As you can see, I got a lot of duct tape. So I can do colors for you guys. And so let me know in the comment section below if you have a specific die-cast car that you want for one of these. And so as you can see, I made these before the video. So this piece is for the spoiler and this one's for the gas cap. The gas cap does not open, it's only for like, just to look better. So I'm going to put this onto the gas cap. Okay, doesn't fit the best, but I'll do better in my next one. And then the spoiler, I'm going to do my best for this. Also, the spoiler does kind of flap around if you turn it upside down, and then it doesn't stay there. So what you have to do is you have to take your finger, dig it in there, and push it up with some force. And then, as you can see, it'll stay up. So I'm going to try to put this on. There you go. Fits on very nicely. And there are no air bubbles. Or still need to smooth it out, and then it'll have no air bubbles. Like the SL63. I put on some decals and stuff on there too. Ooh. Can't get that right. Oh. Okay, and then if I push this, there are two little like fork looking things. You can push it up. Sorry about that. Pardon the people outside of the office where I'm recording. And there it is. And then there you go. That's how it looks. Fits very nicely. So let me know in the comment section if you want one of these, and then I might do a tutorial if I get, say, 5 comments for doing this. Because that's not very common, people comment, and I don't have many subscribers at the moment. There it is. Very simple. Looks really nice like that. And it fits the car perfectly. It'll look nice when it's not up either. And it's actually pretty easy to access, and there's not much trouble getting to it. You can usually get it unless your fingernails are super thick. And so yeah, I definitely do recommend this die-cast car for its price. I got mine for about like $35, but most of them out there are $42. I was lucky and I got the last one on eBay. And so yeah, it's a very nice die-cast car, especially with that spoiler, which I love about some certain Maistos. And this one still has an opening trunk, which is great. And yeah, so I definitely do recommend this to beginning and advanced die-cast collectors. But if you're looking for a really detailed die-cast car with like felt and stuff, you should probably go for the Norrev, even though the Norrev does not have the carpet. So I'm not going to get a Norrev. You guys can do a review and comment and show me the link. Otherwise, you can wait for the Ottawa. I believe they're going to release the Solar Beam Yellow first. And so yeah, until next time, bye-bye.